Imagine your kitchen doing almost everything for you. These 37 newest Amazon gadgets are blowing up in 2026 for a reason, and a few of them can replace multiple tools and save you hours every week. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Coviet 25-in-1 bread maker, just $119. Featuring an automatic dual dispenser and multiple settings for gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and more, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 2 lb capacity and sleek stainless steel design, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious, bakery-quality creations at home. Create perfect bite-sized treats with this 2 PCS cake pop mold kit, just $12. Easily cut, shape, and assemble round cake pops using the cutter and pusher, then finish with sticks, bags, and ties included. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and home baking, it makes dessert decorating fun, simple, and professional looking. Grill smarter with the 9-in-1 grill spatula, just $20. Crafted from 1.5 mm thick stainless steel, it flips, slices, scrapes, and even opens bottles with ease. Perfect for barbecue lovers, this all-in-one tool makes outdoor cooking faster, easier, and more fun, an ideal gift for any grill master. Turn your meals into fun creations with the Trustella Hot Dog Twister Spiralizer, just $16. Easily create perfect spiral cuts for hot dogs and more, ideal for grilling, air fryer, oven, or microwave cooking. Made from durable, food-grade plastic and includes bonus skewers, your ultimate kitchen and barbecue upgrade for quick, eye-catching snacks. Make delicious cake pops in minutes with the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, just $25. This easy-to-use machine bakes 9 perfect cake pops at once with a non-stick surface for effortless release and cleanup. Featuring a power-light, non-skid feet, and included recipes, it's the fun and simple way to create sweet treats at home. Slice pizza effortlessly with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel, just $9. This heavy-duty slicer features a sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic non-slip grip for smooth, controlled cuts every time. Complete with a protective blade cover and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect simple tool for any pizza night. Mash with power and precision using the Joyeldelf heavy-duty potato masher, just $10. Built with durable stainless steel and a comfortable silicone handle, it effortlessly crushes potatoes, beans, vegetables, and more. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for smooth, delicious results every time. Slice pizza like a pro with the Kitchen Star 16-inch rocker blade cutter, just $25. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel design delivers clean, effortless cuts in one smooth motion. The large size handles big pizzas with ease, while the protective cover and dishwasher-safe build make it safe and convenient for everyday use. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the SunCleanse roll-up dish drying rack, just $9. This foldable over-the-sink design saves counter space while quickly drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. Heat-resistant, durable, and easy to roll up for storage, it's the perfect smart solution for everyday kitchen convenience. Track your health with precision using the Atexity Smart Body Scale, just $80. This advanced digital scale measures weight, BMI, body fat, and muscle composition with high accuracy. Apple Health compatible and equipped with a sleek TFT display and tempered glass design, it delivers smart, real-time fitness insights to help you reach your goals. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-pack teak wood cutting board set, just $56. Crafted from heavy-duty, non-toxic hardwood, these thick, durable boards are perfect for chopping meat, prepping meals, or serving charcuterie. With multiple sizes for every task, they double as elegant over-the-sink boards and stylish serving platters for everyday cooking and entertaining. Cook healthy, delicious meals with ease using the Bella 2-tier food steamer. Its stackable baskets let you steam multiple foods at once, saving time in the kitchen. The spacious 7.4 quart capacity is perfect for family meals, while the removable base ensures easy cleanup. With built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's safe and reliable every time. All this convenience and versatility for just $39.99. Create perfect pizzas every time with the Orblue Pizza Dough Docker. This handy roller with spikes evenly pierces dough to prevent air bubbles and blistering during baking. Easy to use and durable, it's a must-have tool for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Smooth, even crusts made simple. Keep your knives organized and dry with this sleek slanted knife block. Made from durable carbon steel with a built-in drain tray, it offers safe, stylish, and space-saving countertop storage. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Meet the Mueller Pro Chopper, the original favorite since 2013 for fast, hassle-free meal prep. This 10-in-1 kitchen essential features 8 versatile blades to chop, slice, dice, and julienne with precision. Perfect for onions, veggies, and more, it delivers uniform cuts in seconds. The built-in container keeps your kitchen clean and organized. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, this time-saving tool is a must-have. All for just $29.99. Upgrade your outdoor vibes with the Keter Pacific Cool Bar. This stylish side table transforms into a 7.5-gallon cooler, perfect for keeping drinks chilled by the patio or hot tub. Sleek, practical, and party-ready in seconds. Keep your produce fresh and organized with the Pohenier.jh 5-tier fruit basket tower. Featuring a tall, space-saving design with a banana hanger and sturdy base, it neatly stores fruits and vegetables like potatoes and onions. Perfect for countertops, easy access, better airflow, and a cleaner kitchen. Cook faster anywhere with the Cuisinmax 1800W Double Burner Hot Plate. Featuring powerful ceramic infrared heating and dual controls, it heats up in seconds and works with all cookware. Compact, portable, and perfect for home, dorms, or extra cooking space. Meet the Black Plus Decker 1.5-cup electric food chopper, compact, fast, and easy to use. With a 150W motor and stay-sharp blade, it chops ingredients in seconds using one-touch pulse control. Perfect for small prep tasks, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. All this convenience for just $16.99. Keep your space neat with the Univivi 6-shelf overdoor organizer. Featuring 10 large pockets and 4 small PVC pockets, it's perfect for storing baby essentials, clothes, and accessories, smart, stylish storage for any room. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on-cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Open cans effortlessly with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Just press a button for smooth, hands-free operation that leaves safe, clean edges. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Wash and dry your greens in seconds with this stainless steel salad spinner, just $34. The 4.8-quart capacity and smooth crank design make cleaning vegetables quick and effortless. Featuring a BPA-free build, non-slip base, and transparent lid, it's durable, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, crisp salads every time. Grind fresh spices anytime with the Cactus Cutter K2 Pro electric grinder, just $60. This compact, battery-powered device delivers quick, automatic grinding up to 3 grams with precision and ease. Rechargeable, portable, and stylish in gradient green, it's perfect for fresh flavor on the go or in your kitchen. Slice homemade bread perfectly every time with this bamboo bread slicer, just $40. Adjustable width guides help you cut even, consistent slices with ease, while the compact design saves space in your kitchen. Durable, eco-friendly, and simple to use, it's the perfect tool for fresh, bakery-style results at home. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSTBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200 W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Make every bite tender and flavorful with the JY Cookment Meat Tenderizer, just $9. Featuring 48 ultra-sharp stainless steel needle blades, it breaks down tough fibers for juicier, faster cooking meat. Perfect for barbecue and marinades, it helps flavors soak in deeper for restaurant-quality results at home. Handle heat with confidence using the Cuisinart Mini Oven Mitts, just $16. Designed with a non-slip neoprene palm and heat-resistant cotton filling, they provide a secure, comfortable grip. Compact yet durable, they're perfect for baking, cooking, and quick oven tasks, with a handy loop for easy storage. Cook, fry, and steam with ease using the Aosian 6 Cutie stainless steel stock pot. Featuring a durable design with a handy deep fryer basket, it's perfect for versatile cooking. Induction-ready and compatible with all stovetops, it delivers even heat and reliable performance for every delicious meal. Store smarter with the Comzon Rice Storage Bin. This collapsible container holds 13 to 50 pounds and features an airtight design to keep food fresh. With a transparent lid, rolling wheels, and included measuring cup and scoop, it's perfect for rice, cereals, or pet food, convenient, clean, and space-saving. Defrost food faster the natural way with the Blazin' Thaw Defrosting Tray. This 16-inch family-size aluminum plate speeds up thawing without electricity, microwaves, or water. Simply place frozen food on the surface for quick, even results, safe, efficient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Make fun and perfectly blended golden eggs with this egg scrambler shaker. Using a simple pull rope design, it spins the egg to mix yolk and white inside the shell, no cracking needed. Portable and easy to use, it's perfect for creating unique hard-boiled eggs anytime. Cook your favorites with ease using the Dash Deluxe Everyday Griddle. Featuring a removable non-stick plate for quick cleaning, even heating, and an anti-slip base for stability. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, plus a recipe book to inspire delicious meals every day. Slice fruits in seconds with this multi-purpose tomato and grape slicer. Designed for quick, even cuts, it easily halves tomatoes, grapes, and small fruits with minimal effort. Safe, compact, and easy to use, perfect for salads, snacks, and everyday kitchen prep. Get perfect results every time with the Govee Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Designed for smokers, ovens, and grills, it comes with 2 precision probes for monitoring multiple foods at once. Track your cooking easily with the smart LCD backlight, timer mode, and wireless Bluetooth control. Ideal for turkey, beef, fish, and more, no more guesswork. At just $19.99, it's the ultimate affordable upgrade for perfectly cooked meals every time. Keep your salads fresh and crisp with the MR.Sega Large Salad Spinner. This 6.87 quart bowl lets you easily wash, spin, and drain greens, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. The built-in strainer ensures fast water removal for perfectly dry produce every time. Durable, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for healthy meal prep. All for just $29.98. Keep your snacks fresh longer with this mini USB rechargeable bag sealer. Designed with a 2-in-1 heat sealer and built-in cutter, it quickly reseals plastic bags for airtight storage. Compact and portable, it's perfect for home or travel. No more wasted food or stale snacks. Upgrade your mornings with the Inspirex touchscreen smart toaster, just $79.99. Enjoy effortless toasting with 8 bread types, 7 browning levels, and a sleek digital display. Automatic lowering, raising, and countdown timing make every slice perfect. Stylish stainless steel design meets smart convenience in one compact appliance. Peel faster and safer with the Mutter 4-piece finger vegetable peeler set. Designed with a comfortable rubber finger grip, it gives you better control while peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Compact, easy to use, and efficient, perfect for quick everyday kitchen prep. Cook anywhere with the Ovent electric countertop single burner. With 1000 W power, a durable 6-inch stainless steel coil, and 5-level temperature control, it's perfect for quick meals. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small spaces, dorms, or travel cooking. Clean your whisk in seconds with the whisk wiper, just $20. This clever multipurpose tool wipes away batter and sauces effortlessly, reducing waste and mess. Includes an 11 stainless steel whisk, making it perfect for baking and cooking. A simple, smart gadget and a great gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Ceramic spoon rest. Ideal size 1 PCS 4.5 into 6.9 round spoon rest fits most cookware such as fork, basting brush, spoon, spatula, strainer, coffee spoon, tongs, chopsticks, etc. Can also be used as a mini dip pan, small plate for sugar, cookies, lemon slices, and more. The high-quality spoon rack is made of food-grade ceramic. Ceramic will never mold like silicone or plastic, is both heat-resistant and will not corrode, and can withstand heavy-duty use. The wide base and the swirling depression in the middle ensure the stability of your utensils, allowing the spoon holder to catch all the stains and drips from your cooking utensils, keeping your counters and stovetop neat and tidy. Unique design and color options. This cooking spoon holder features a distinctive swirl motif design that adds an artistic touch to your kitchen. Meet the Chef IQ Mini Oven, your all-in-one smart cooking solution. This 11-in-1 countertop oven lets you bake, broil, air fry, dehydrate, and more with powerful 1750W performance. Its spacious 25-quart capacity handles family meals with ease, while fast convection cooking saves you time. The sleek touchscreen controls make every dish simple and precise. Cook smarter, faster, and better, all in one compact appliance. Aluminum fold flat dish drying rack. Durable, stylish, rust-proof aluminum frame contains items and complements any kitchen decor. Double duty, 2-layer design holds items of all sizes. Dries quickly, raised ridges elevate items away from water for quick, efficient drying. Versatile, removable utensil cup can be placed on either side of dish rack. Stays in place, non-slip feet help keep rack stable on countertops. Assembled and upright in the X position, the dish rack measures 16.4 inch L into 14.4 W into 9.5 H.